Today we're going to be going over this particular question, which is calculating the perimeter of a sector. Now normally when we've got problems to do with the outside of a circle, it says circumference. However, in this instance, it's not to do with the circumference entirely, because the perimeter involves the whole of the outside of the shape, and the outside of the shape is partially curved, which is called the arc, and it has these two straight sides. So we need to include all three parts of the sector. So in order to calculate the arc, this is a fraction of the whole circle. So we need to write down it's a fraction 82/360 of the whole circle using the circumference formula. Now, the circumference formula can be used in one of two ways. You can either use 2 times pi times r, or alternatively you can use pi times d. Because 2 lots of the radius is the same as the diameter, either formula will work. Let's watch the screen to see what's going to happen. In this instance, I've decided to use the diameter, but because on the screen you cannot see the diameter, you need to manipulate the radius. So this is the radius and we need to manipulate it to change it into the diameter. So doubling it will make 12. And then all we need to do is simply type this into the calculator, because like I said before, we want to find a fraction of the whole circle. Once we've typed it into the calculator, what we're going to get is the following: 8.587, and there will be a few more decimal places. Now, when I'm doing several steps to a problem, I always keep it to quite a few decimal places, because then in the final step you can add these two things together and what you'll get is a more accurate answer. The final step then is to find out what the blue sides are. Now these are pretty straightforward. There are 2 lots of 6s, so you add these together giving you 12s. So your final answer is combining the yellow section and the blue sections together. So this number plus this number will give us the final answer, which is 20.59, and this is going to be to 2 decimal places. I hope this video has helped you understanding sector.